Open any browser and search for Discord. Click on the official website link that appears. From the website header, click on Support, then select Submit a Request from the top section of the page. In the What Can We Help You With section, choose Appeals and Aid Update Requests from the drop-down menu. Enter the email address associated with your disabled account. Ensure it matches the one linked to your Discord account. Check the box asking, "Are you in the right place?" and scroll to the How Can We Help section. Here, select Appeal and Action Taken on My Account. Then, in the What Would You Like to Appeal section, choose an action taken on my account again. For the subject, type something like Appeal for Disabled Account. In the description field, clearly explain the issue. Optionally, attach any relevant files for additional context. If Discord emailed you regarding the account suspension, reference that email to explain the situation better. Common reasons for account deactivation include sending too many direct messages in a short time, participating in activities that violated Discord's terms of service, being in a server that broke Discord's rules. Explain the issue respectfully, starting with, "I respectfully appeal." For example, if you unknowingly joined a problematic server, state that you were unaware and will avoid such servers in the future. Once you've completed the message and attached any necessary files, click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation email from Discord. Be sure to reply to their email within 14 days, or your account may be permanently deleted. Check your email regularly to avoid missing their response. This method should help you recover your disabled Discord account.